Okay, gonna do a quick review on Goya Ham Flavored Concentrate. I get this at Save-A-Lot. I don't know where else you can buy it at. I know you can buy it at Save-A-Lot. I think it costs about $1.50, $2. It's pretty cheap. This is what the packages look like. You get 8 of them in a package. In a box. And it's good. Okay, that part there is in Spanish. Okay, ham flavor concentrate and other natural flavors is what this is made of. I use them in beans, vegetables, different things I use. I want to have a little ham taste. I have a little ham taste to whatever I'm cooking. Yeah, they're pretty good. Not too bad. Not too bad. And it's a lot cheaper than buying ham. If you're on a budget, low on cash, might not have enough money to buy a thing of ham. But like I said, they're pretty good. I use them in cooking beans and vegetables and stuff to add a little ham flavor to it. They're pretty price is pretty cheap. This is Goya Ham Flavored Concentrate and other natural flavors. You get 8 of them in a package. Nutritional information, 0 calories. So, okay, so this is in Spanish. I'm not gonna try to. My Spanish is pretty rusty, so I'm not even gonna try to translate that. Like I said, you get 8 of them in a package. I buy them at Save-A-Lot. I don't know what else. We got Save-A-Lot pretty close here to the house, so we do a lot of shopping there. But I don't know what it's not a Save-A-Lot brand, but I don't know what the store sells them. This is the Goya Ham Flavored Concentrate packages.